This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring power. Plug in the AC adapter or verify battery at 20% or higher so updates won't interrupt. This protects files. Next, open Lenovo Vantage from Start or the system tray. This is where drivers are managed. Once in, navigate to the Support or System Update section. Make sure you're signed in so personalized updates appear. Start a scan now to detect outdated drivers. This first action identifies what needs updating and prevents drift. Once the scan finishes, review results and prioritize critical items like chipset and graphics because they affect stability and performance. You should select the drivers you need or choose Install all to simplify the process. Click Update and watch progress. Lenovo Vantage shows download and install steps. If an install requires a restart, it will flag it. Make sure to save work now. Allow the system to complete installations without interruption, since partial updates can cause driver conflicts. After installations complete, restart the PC when prompted. This finalizes driver integration and clears pending changes. Once rebooted, run a second scan in Lenovo Vantage to confirm everything reports up to date, and cross-check key driver versions in Device Manager so you know the system state. If a device misbehaves, roll back the driver from Device Manager or reinstall the previous driver version. This resolves most compatibility issues. If problems persist, use System Restore or Boot Safe mode to troubleshoot further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.